So to make a Bluetooth control robot, we require a chassis which can accommodate 4 motors and a breadboard, which I have already attached here, 4 rotating wheels, 4 300 RPM motors, one Arduino Uno, HC05 Bluetooth module, L293D motor driver, 2 9-volt batteries, jumper wires, and a smartphone. So our first step is attach wires to these motors. Here you can see I have already done this. So let's take our chassis and fix these motors here. Now let's attach wheels with the help of a screwdriver. First specify which is going to be the front side of your device. Let's say this is going to be my front face. Now take a marker and a battery and connect it like this. When the wheel rotates in forward direction, mark the wire connected with positive and black. Connect the wires to the motor driver according to this block diagram. Left motors here, right motors here. Now take your Arduino board and attach it here, but before that must add an insulating layer, otherwise there will be a short circuit. Now do the connections of motor driver with Arduino board, like here M1A with 12 pin, and all these pins are digital pins with help of jumper wires. So now next step is take HC05 Bluetooth module and do the connections according to this block diagram. We are not going to use EN and state pins. Here TX stand for transmitter and RX stand for receiver. TX is connected with pin 0 and RX is connected with pin 1 of Arduino. Pin 0 of Arduino is inbuilt receiver and pin 1 is inbuilt transmitter, and we never connect TX with TX and RX with RX. Arduino code of this type of robot is quite simple. First you need to define the pins, like here M11 pin is defined as pin 11, where we will connect M1A pin of motor driver and so on. Then create some function like void forward, left, backward, right and stop. You can see some of the pins are high and some of the pins are low. Like in forward, M11 is high and M12 is low, which will command the left motors to rotate in forward direction, and similarly right side also. In left, we have used the logic to rotate the left motors in backward direction and right motors in forward direction. Then is void setup. First is serial.begin 9600. This is used to start the Bluetooth module. Then we define all the pins as output. Next, void loop. This loop works according to command given from external remote. First, it reads the integer which it receives from Android phone. Then according to it, it performs the task. Like when it reads 1, it will move in forward direction by calling forward function. When it reads 2, it will move in left direction. But here I have called right function. This depends upon the connection. Similarly, 3 for right, 4 for backward and 5 for stop. Now it's time to upload the code, but before that always remember to remove TX and RX pins from Arduino board. After the code has been uploaded, you can again do the connection. Set the piece according to Arduino code and connect.